Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really exciting unboxing. I waited for the weekend to be over to do this unboxing. I'm sorry to be filming on this mess, but I am still in the process of moving. So like you see, I have like my boxes here, and I just have to finish fixing my house and then also film more videos. So I'm so sorry for not being able to film as I wanted to, but with school and things as a full-time mom that I wasn't be able to film, but I am finally here. Let's start. My name is Sylvia. I do handbag reviews and a little bit of everything. So if you guys like this content, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for those who comment on the videos. I really appreciate it. Look for more into my channel because I have a lot of unboxings and a lot of reviews of handbags. A lot of people are asking me to do a video with an update of my handbags, especially about my Gucci's, the Horsebit, the Pushimetis, if I still like it or not. So I will do my best and try my best to do an update on my handbags. But thank you so much for all the comments and my messages that I received. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I have here a very special unboxing. So it's my first Chanel piece. Actually, no, it's my second, but my first handbag. Actually, I got a wallet maybe like 3 years ago that I didn't really use it, so I ended up selling it. But anyway, so I got this beautiful piece, and at first, but let me show you first what it is. Let me show you first what it is, and then I'll talk to you about a little bit more of my journey trying to buy a bag from Chanel. Okay, so it has this beautiful rose. Okay, what do you guys think it is? My God. Like you see, I'm not used to unbox a Chanel piece because I don't know how is it packed. Oh, now you're seeing all my mess. It comes like this with a beautiful tissue with all this paper. Of course, it's just a plain black box like this, and I have here. It has this booklet that I don't know what it is. I think it's like a care booklet or something. Let's see. Let me tell you that because it was my first purchase in Chanel, a lot of people said go on the pre-love market, but I am really, I don't really trust the second-hand market because I'm not used to buy Chanel, so I don't know like the good consignments or good resellers yet, and I'm kind of nervous to be spending a lot of money, especially on the second-hand market. So I decided to buy it from the boutique. Yeah, the care. Yeah, I think it's the care booklet. I'll read this later. Let's see if you guys can guess what it is. I have shown this in my Instagram account. So for those who follow me on Instagram, you probably know what it is. And it's the beautiful Chanel 19. Oh my God, look. In the white and gold hardware. Oh God. So beautiful. It is so beautiful. White. My God. The inside, it's red. Oh my God, the inside. It has like the sticker on here. The sticker on the Chanel. Oh my God. This beautiful gold chain. It has like the gold is not like a yellow, like a perfect gold. It has like this kind of like silver mix, since it's my first Chanel piece. Oh my God. And it has this red interior. Okay, it's quilted. It's the Chanel 19. Okay, it has a little zipper. It has a zipper pocket inside, and it's squishy. It has a back pocket with a clip in the back, and this is my beautiful Chanel 19 handbag. Ta-da. Now, my journey buying this bag, because I wanted to get a cocoa handle in pink or white. I'll probably go for a pink, but I decided to get this Chanel 19 on white because I was first looking for a YSL puffer bag on the medium size, but the way I felt was weird. You know, it was kind of big, it was too high, so I couldn't, you know, with opening and closing, I didn't really like it. So I like that with this Chanel 19 I'm be able to do a crossbody, okay, and the color white. This is the thing with Chanel. The classic, I think, is too structured, and right now, you know, I don't use shoulder bag. It's more like a top handle or a handheld or a crossbody. So I like that that I have a choice for me to, you know, to use this beautiful Chanel 19. I love this part of the Chanel. Yeah. Oh, and I also got these earrings from the boutique. My SA got it. It looks so nice. It looks just like so nice and classy. It's like gold, silver, gold, silver, gold. Looking and inspecting and just double checking. Oh my god. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Just want to make sure everything is good, since there is no like scratches or anything. Okay. I'm gonna stop admiring my bag. Okay, so let me tell you about my experience buying a bag from Chanel. Like, it's really hard to find a Chanel bags because, you know, people will just like buy so quick, so that when you go to a boutique, everything is sold out already. So if you really want a handbag from Chanel, you have to contact and get familiar with an SA. And once you have your SA, you will have to pre-order your handbag with time and ask them for a color. She will get it for you. I am not familiar because I always have purchased a Louis Vuitton and the Gucci, and the Chanel, I think you're paying more for the brand. You have to really pre-order your handbag with your SA, and you cannot buy it online. If you buy it online, or if you request to have an appointment to see the boutique online, you have to already being a client for Chanel. So that means that you already have to have purchased something from the boutique, and Neiman Marcus didn't count. It had to be a individual, you know, boutique from Chanel. So that was my experience buying this bag, and let me show you what fits on this bag. So I have here a 10 ounces water. Let's open it and put it. I have a mini pochette. I have my sunglasses. And I will probably put a white, let's see. Okay, this is it. So it's puffy, it's nice. My SA said that I have to put something inside so that it can keep the shape, because it's like puffy, it's like a pillow bag. Not that there is a medium size. When I got to the boutique, my SA showed me the medium size. I think the small one is much better than the medium, because the medium is really thick and bulky. And for my frame, my body frame, I'm a 5'3" and 149 pounds. The bag was you know, too big, the medium one, and I could just use it as a shoulder, because with the crossbody it felt bulky and it felt big. So I think the small size is a good size to use, and it fits a lot. I show you the wipe. I have my mini bottle, and let me do some mug shots for you guys. Oh, I forgot to tell you the measurements on this bag. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. And tell me if you have this bag, how are you liking it? And I don't know, maybe give me some outfit ideas. All right, take care. Bye bye.